So, February 3rd. I shut the TV off so you don't see that glare. Hold on. So yeah, February 3rd. Ground blizzard. Can you see? I'm standing here. I can feel the snow coming in this window. That's how hard it's blowing. Hi, Reese. What you doing? Look at the pretty sunrise. Can you see it? Barely. The drift. I don't even know if you can see. Can you see the garage peak over there? On the right is a little garden shed, and then there's the garage, the little garage, and then the camper. The drift in front of the camper and the garage is now about 7 feet tall. It's taller than the garage door. Okay, I'm going.